In this very quick video guide, we're going to see how we can set up, manage, and customize, optimize our panel of the quick settings that you can see if you drop down, if you click and drag down from the top of the smartphone screen to the bottom. So this is Android 5 smartphone, by the way. So I'm gonna again click and drag, or press with your finger and drag down, and more. If you want to see more, you can drag even more. There you go. So this is the quick access, or the quick settings. So you can access quickly some functions of your computer. For example, you can see here I activated the hotspot and the mobile data and other functions. And also I can open the calculator from here. So if I use the calculator a lot, I probably want to have this right here at the first panel of this quick access. So let me just go back and show you how you can customize this in order to optimize your time and make your life easier. So all you need to do is click on this little pencil icon here. It's kind of a hidden icon, not too visible, but that's the passage. So if you click there, there you go. Now you can access and edit by holding and dragging the various buttons, or as they are called here, tiles. So for example, if I use my right hand and I want to access something really quick, so I would put here on the right side the things that I use the most, and especially when I am using only one hand. And probably the thing I use the most is the mobile data switch to turn that on and off, and also the hotspot, a little less the Wi-Fi, so I can put like the Wi-Fi like higher, and maybe the calculator I use it less often, so I would put it in the right side. So try to organize based on how you use this stuff, how frequently you use it, and how it's going to be best for you in a way. So it's your choice. And also, if you go down, you have other, and these ones are the ones that will appear here when you scroll horizontally. So once you're finished with the first 8 tiles, then you have the others. And again, if you click here, you can also change these. You can, if you want, if you go down, there are also others that you can add. So I can add, for example, here wallets, and I can remove it. So if I hold again and drag, I can drag it on the panel on the bottom to remove them from the quick access, the quick settings. And that's all you need to know. It's pretty simple. Once you finish, you go back, clicking here with the arrow, and that's it. So all you need to do is customize it in order for you to work properly, and in order for you to make your, again, life easier and faster. So this will be all for this video guide. If you enjoyed, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated, and also join the channel if you want to support us. Check out other video courses, video guides that we publish every day. And this will be all for today. So thanks again. See you in the next.